Everyone thinks the best-selling Trickle car battery charger is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, NOCO Genius. Let's kick things off with the NOCO Genius 10, priced at $99.87. This caught my attention because it's labeled as a bestseller and it promises some serious power. If you want a battery charger that doubles as a maintainer and desulfator, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Genius 10 can charge batteries as low as 1 volt, which is great if you've neglected your battery for a while. It's designed for both lead-acid and lithium batteries, meaning it works across a range of vehicles from cars to motorcycles and even lawn mowers. The integrated thermal sensor adjusts the charge based on temperature, which helps prevent overcharging in heat and undercharging in cold conditions. With over 20,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly making waves in the market. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's bulky. Here's the thing though, while it is larger than some, the extra power and features it offers really make it a worthwhile investment for serious users who want reliability. This is perfect for you if you own multiple vehicles or have a battery that needs a bit more care. Skip this one if you're looking for something super compact and lightweight, but for the price, the value is definitely there. Now, if NOCO's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, POXI Solar Charger. Next up is the POXI upgraded 7.5W solar battery trickle charger, priced at an attractive $39.99. I was drawn in by the solar aspect, which is pretty unique. If you want a portable and eco-friendly charging solution, this is worth a serious look. That means it harnesses sunlight effectively to keep your battery topped up without the risk of overcharging, thanks to its smart protection system. It's compatible with a variety of vehicles, so whether you've got a car, motorcycle, or even a boat, it's got you covered. With over 6,300 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's a solid choice for those looking to go green. Some users mention that it doesn't perform well in low-light conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily in a sunny area or can position it correctly, the solar benefit far outweighs this limitation. This is perfect for you if you want something low maintenance that relies on sunlight. Skip this one if you live in a region with minimal sun exposure, but for the price, it's a smart investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for conventional battery needs. Product number 3, Battery Tender Plus. Coming in at $58.95, we have the Battery Tender Plus. I really liked its reputation for being smarter than a typical trickle charger. If you're looking for a reliable maintainer for your 12V batteries, this is worth a serious look. The Battery Tender Plus features a 4-step charging program that adapts to your battery's needs, ensuring optimal charging and extending battery life. This means it can charge and maintain your battery without the guesswork, which is fantastic for someone who might not be super tech-savvy. It's also got a quick disconnect harness for easy connections, which is a nice touch for convenience. With a 4.7-star rating from over 21,500 reviews, it's clear that many users trust it. Now, some people pointed out that it doesn't have a built-in timer. Here's the thing, while that might be a drawback for some, the adaptive smart charging really makes up for it by ensuring your battery is in good health. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable charger for automotive or ATV batteries. Skip this one if you're looking for something that caters to a wider voltage range, but it delivers solid value for its price. Now, if the battery tender's focus on 12V batteries isn't quite what you need, the next product offers broader compatibility. Product number 4, Schumacher Electric SC 1280. Now let's talk about the Schumacher Electric car battery charger, which is priced at $64.99. I was impressed by its versatility, making it suitable for both 6V and 12V batteries. If you want a charger that does it all, this is worth a serious look. The SC1280 features smart automatic voltage detection, so you don't have to worry about messing it up. It delivers 15 amps for rapid charging, which is perfect for those times when you need a quick boost. Plus, it has a maintain mode, so if you're storing your vehicle for a while, your battery will stay charged without overdoing it. The built-in digital display shows you battery voltage and charge status, which is a nice touch for easy monitoring. With 9,500 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's definitely a trusted option. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy to carry around. Here's the thing, while it might not be the lightest, the performance and features justify the weight if you're looking for a powerful charger. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile charger for different battery types. Skip this one if you need something compact for travel, but it offers great value for what you're getting. Alright, that was a great option. But the last one I have for you is an absolute budget-friendly choice. Product number 5, Anachacho Charger Maintainer. Finally, we have the Anachacho 6V12V battery charger maintainer priced at just $22.98. I was surprised at how affordable it is given its features. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is worth a serious look. The Anachacho offers a 5-stage smart charging system, which means it adapts to your battery's needs through different charging phases. This ensures your battery is charged safely and effectively. It also has built-in safety protections like reverse polarity and short-circuit protection, which is great for peace of mind. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 4,500 reviews, this one is definitely getting noticed. Some users expressed concerns about the charging speed, saying it's slower than others. Here's the thing, for a Trickle charger, the slower charging is actually safer for your battery and maintains its health over time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical option that doesn't compromise on safety. Skip this one if you need rapid charging, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. So to wrap things up, the NOCO Genius 10 is great for power users. The POXI solar charger stands out for eco-friendliness. The battery Tender Plus is smart and efficient. The Schumacher SC 1280 offers versatility, and the Anachacho is an excellent budget choice. Each of these chargers has something unique to offer, so consider your needs carefully when making a decision. In summary, each of these Trickle chargers brings something different to the table. Whether you're looking for power, portability, smart features, versatility, or affordability, there's a solid option here for everyone. Take a moment to consider what fits your needs best, and you'll be set for keeping your batteries in top shape.